University is an online e-learning platform available both on web and mobile app. This video demonstrates how super admin can manage the whole platform. So after logging into this super admin, this dashboard gives the complete information about different courses available on the platform and number of students who have enrolled on it, and total number of students and the courses and the number of different lessons within the different courses. And then it also demonstrates the revenue generation. There are different categories possible. You can manage different categories. For example, you can decide categories like PHP, Node, Swift, whatever. You can add, edit, delete the categories. Inside the categories, you can create the subcategories. For example, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Then you can add a new category also. Courses, one of the very important factors, wherein all the courses coming from different instructors are shown here. Admin has a right to approve or disapprove these courses. He can manage the courses by adding, deleting the courses. He can also add new courses himself also, and then he can apply different filters to find out a particular course. Courses can be paid or free courses. As you see that there are free courses available, and there are paid courses also available on the platform. Admin can also manage different instructors. He can see the complete list of the instructors, and he can manage the instructors by adding or deleting them. He can decide the payout for instructors, at what date the payout should be done, and the settings of the kinds, like where he can decide every instructor to get 70% of the revenue generated by selling the videos online, and he may keep 30%, or he can edit these settings. Then he can also manage students who come on the platform, and he can see what courses have they enrolled in. He can manage the instructors by adding or editing or deleting them. He can also add new students by on his own from the admin section, and then he can see the enrollment history of the different students as to when, at what time did a particular student enroll for a particular course, and what are the contact details of that student. He can enroll a new student. He can select the different users available on the platform and can assign a particular course to the student. He can see different reports of revenues, and can see different messages which come on the platform either by students or by teachers. There are different add-ons available in the platform and certain settings to manage the whole application overall. So this is how the admin can manage the whole platform and every element on the portal. These are the courses which are available here, and he can manage the whole content and the users of different types right from here itself. Thank you.